Hello everyone! Is your Instagram sticker not showing on your Instagram story? When you try to upload any post, we often use many stickers to express your feeling indifferently in your Instagram story. Now the problem is that stickers are currently missing on Instagram. And how do you recover all the missing stickers on your Instagram account for Android or iPhone? You need to open Instagram, open Setting, tap Account, choose Account Type. Now switch to Personal. Now, if you are using a business account, just for a moment, make your account personal. Now, if you have got the issues, tap and hold the Instagram. Tap to enable Auto Start. Now, choose Clear Data. After that, open Play Store. Type Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now, you need to choose to join the beta. Now, just restart your phone and see the result. After that, now open your Instagram. Now try to upload any post on the story. Now choose your stickers. So as you can see, your stickers are now available right here on your Instagram account. If you have anything to ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.